Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Cloud Computing Week 10, Assignment 10. So the first question is, which migration technique typically result in shorter downtime but may have a longer total migration time? So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, pre-copy approach. Because of iterative procedures, dirty page are regenerated, cause long migration time. So the answer of our first question is B. Now, the second question is, which migration type is most prone to network failure risk? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, post copy live memory migration. In the post copy strategy, when the VM is restarted, the VM memory is empty if the VM tries to access a memory page that has not yet been copied. This memory page needs to be brought from the source VM. So the answer of our second question is B, post copy migration. Now the third question is, which migration technique is more energy efficient in fog computing? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, power management, switching the idle mode server to either sleep mode or off mode based on resource demands that leads to energy saving. VM live migration is a good technique for cloud power efficiency. So the answer of our third question is C, hybrid migration. Now, the fourth question is, in cloud platform like AWS, GCP, Azure, Docker engine is primarily responsible for. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, Dockers container images become containers at runtime. And in the case of Docker containers, image becomes containers when they run on Docker engine. So the answer of our fourth question is B. Now, the fifth question is, the central service that stores and distributes Docker image is called Dash. So these are the options: Docker Swarm, Docker Hub, Docker Engine, Docker Daemon. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, the private Docker registry is a service that stores Docker images. These can be requested from any Docker daemon that has the relevant access. So the answer of our fifth question is B, Docker Hub. The sixth question is, Docker volumes are deleted automatically when the container using them is removed. True or false? So the answer of our sixth question is false. Now the seventh question is statement first. Docker networking allows containers to communicate with each other and the host. Statement 2. By default, containers are launched in host network mode. So these are the options, and the answer of our seventh question is A. Only statement first is true. Now the eighth question is, by default Docker pulls all image from a private registry. True or false? So the answer of our eighth question is B, false. Now the ninth question is, if a VM has 128 GB memory and the migration channel supports 4 MB per second, what is the total migration time and downtime for non-live VM migration? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, you can see that this is our calculation and the answer is 32768 seconds. So the answer of our ninth question is, so the answer of our ninth question is 9.1 hour. So the answer is B, 9 hour, 9 hour. Now the 10th question is, during live migration storage migration is required if. So these are the options, and the answer of our 10th question is C, destination host does not have access to the VM's disk. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.